all, I would like to welcome all students to this to this course, right? Okay, so I seen some family names, right? Although I don't see your faces, right? So I see some of family names that took my courses before, right? So like previous in the physics one, okay, and also in the advanced lab as well. Okay, so you guys are mates of both seniors and juniors. So this course, actually, is quite high level for the last semester. Okay, but now the assessment of that just been decreased, okay, a bit lower. So it's not so much high level. So because last time you will be assessed up to C5, okay. So where you require to do some evaluation, okay, of the problem. But now it is reduced, okay. After our new curriculum, it is revised. So the assessment level only up to C4, okay. So I hope you will be happy taking this course. All right. Okay, so I have been teaching this course like 5 times already. So if you have any concern, because based on my previous pattern, okay, as I can say, previous pattern of this course, not so many of the students will get A, right? But don't be afraid, okay? Because this semester, because it's a new curriculum, so it has been revised, as I said, the assessment level has been revised. So the question might be assessing you at a little bit lower level rather than previous semesters. Okay. Okay, last time I also taught this course, and the good thing is everyone passed, all right? But the one that got A is like, if you got like 30 students, so the one that got A is like 3 to 4 students, okay? And then the rest is between B, okay, B plus, B minus, something like that. Okay, so let's see what you are expecting, okay, for this course in this semester. Okay, so you know me, right? So maybe some of you might haven't taken my course yet. So this is my background. So I'm a graduate engineer from certified by Board of Engineers Malaysia. Okay, so my education background. So I did my electrical engineering in Purdue, in US. I did my Masters of Science in Sensor and Instrumentation in UPM, and also my PhD, which I did like 5 years ago. Finished 5 years ago in the wireless communication. Okay, from Sheffield University. Well, there's some of your friends still not here. Okay. All right. So my expertise is in MATLAB and algorithm. So basically, this course is more involving in terms of programming. Okay. As I can see, but it's not too much programming. You need to understand the basics structure of the microprocessor. So you know that microprocessor is inside the computer. All right.
Doctor, are you sharing your slide? Because we can't see.
Wait, I'm admitting your friend to enter the session. Can you see my slide now?
No.
No.
Oh, you guys cannot see my slide. Give me a while, because I don't know how is your how do you see me? Okay, how do you see the screen from your side? Because over here I see that my screen was shared. So let me. Okay, give me a while. Sorry for quick hassle today because actually I'm not at my place. Can you see my slide now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Some of your friends are still waiting to join. I'm not sure why this Microsoft Teams take long time to admit them. Okay. And all right, so let's continue. Okay, so this is what I was presenting just now. So I was talking about myself. Okay, so some of you are familiar with me. Okay, so I've been introducing myself to you, okay, during the last courses as well, right? So you can, if you are interested to know more about me, so you can go to my website, okay? And later, if you are at the campus, so we can see, all right, face to face, right? Because later we will also conduct a face-to-face lecture, all right? After week 7, meaning that after your semester break, okay? So, okay, you can also contact me by mobile or also by email. All right, so as you know, the credit hour for this course is 3 plus 0, meaning that there is no lab, okay? But it involves, okay? It involves assessment of your psychomotor skill as well, okay? Because the thing that is assessed, okay, okay, to how your programming, okay? So that's how, okay, you will be assessed, okay, for the psychomotor part. Okay, so for the rest, after the rest of the first 7 weeks, so we will see on the physical meeting. Okay, so you know that the room is BK05 at the academic complex E. Okay, all right. So our lecture time today is always today, Monday and Thursday. So 8 to 10, and Thursday at 4 to 5. Okay. So you see that it is early morning and also late evening as well, right? Okay, so just to note this. Okay, just to note this, that is compulsory, okay, for you to attend all lectures. So please remind that, because below 80% of your attendance, okay, if your accumulative attendance, let's say if you are not reaching that, let's say by test 1, test 2, okay, even up to the final exam, you will not be allowed, okay, to take the final exam, okay, which might cause you, right, fail, okay, in this course. Okay, just to note that, because right now the academic division is quite strict about this one. So make sure you try to attend all of the courses. Okay. uh, okay. I believe today all of you attend my course. Okay, because I can see that now we have, okay, only one student is missing. So it's 26 students. So one student is missing. 27 students registered for this course. Okay, so for the course synopsis, okay, as you know, what you will learn, as I just briefed you about that, so you will learn about the microprocessor. So microprocessor is the chip, okay, inside your computer. So you will learn the architecture of the microprocessor, okay, the how you how that microprocessor is connected to the memory, okay, to your peripheral devices, okay, such as keyboard, printer. Okay, you will learn much more about the computer. Okay, so what you have, the computer right now in front of you, so you will learn inside that. Okay, so that is the this course is all about. Okay, so but the thing is, the interesting thing is, you will learn fundamental of it. So this will involve, okay, uh, digital numbers, all right, binary, okay, hex numbers. So you will learn about that, okay, in the first part of this lecture later, okay. Okay, and also you will have a mini project later, okay, which will be carried out. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, if no questions, so let's continue. Okay, so this will be your learning outcome, as I mentioned just now. So last time, okay, so you are accessed up to C5. Now it is up to C4. With that, the level, okay, is a bit lower, okay, compared to last time. Okay, now it is C4. Last time it was C5. Okay, so you need to explain the basics of micro computer and microprocessor design. Okay, and also you need to construct the microprocessor program using the assembly language. Okay, so this is the main part. Okay, the main part of this course that you will learn. Okay, which assess your psychomotor skill. Okay, and the last one is you need to compare the software emulator techniques. Okay, to understand, okay, about the working principle of microprocessor, where you will use, okay, where you use a software to code or to program, okay, your assembly language. Okay, so this will be explained later as well. Okay, this may be explained after, probably after your test 1. Okay, so still long time to go. So right now you will learn about the fundamentals first, and then you will learn about the basics architecture of the microprocessor, and later you will do the assembly programming. Okay, so that's how the flow of this course is. Okay, so this is the learning plan. I will share this slide later to the group as well. Okay, and okay, I will upload that to the Putra Plus as well. Okay, so this is the planning. So you might be changed later. Okay, So maybe I decide first to do the test 1 in week 5. So maybe it will be done later. Okay, maybe in week 6 or week 7. So let's see how we progress in this course. Okay, so for the textbook, okay, I use this one. Okay, mostly the one on this left side. Okay, and also you can use this one as well. Okay, so but majority of the references will be taken from this text. Okay, so because it teaches you much more about the basics or fundamentals of the microprocessor and the microcomputer. Okay, this book actually is a little bit hard to obtain, but um, you can go to a major bookstore like in Jalanta, or you can go maybe in the MPH somewhere, so it will be available. But for the soft, also it is hard to find the soft copy one, because last time I was searching for the soft copy, it was hard to get that one as well. So I suggest you to get the hard copy, so it's easier for you to do to study on that, okay, and do the referencing, okay. So also it will be nice for you to keep it on your shelf as well, okay. Okay, all right. So this is important about the course assessment. Okay, you see that? Okay, so how I will assess you. Okay, and later during the lecture, I will also explain you how I assess you as well. Okay, based on some rubrics as well. Okay, so this is the mark, how the mark is distributed. Okay, so the assignment will be 5%. Okay, and you will have the class participation. Okay, so this class participation will involve, okay, during this online session, okay, and also during the physical session later. Okay, so this will comprise of 10% of the mark. Okay, so it will be assessed based on PO1, okay, which is your knowledge, and also PO5. Okay, so which is okay, based on team skill. All right. Okay, and then um, your you will be assessed also based on the assembly programming quiz. Okay. Okay, this will be also later. Okay, after your test 1. Okay, and also for the mini project, it is 10%. Okay, so for mini project and also the assembly programming, it will assess your psychomotor. Okay, but with the mini project, because it will be a team project, so you will be assessed on the team skill as well. Okay, and then as usual, your test 1 and test 2, okay, we assess your knowledge, okay, PO1 and PO3, okay, and the final exam will assess your PO1. Okay, okay, so that's 100%. Okay, so any questions so far?
So far, no question.
No, Doctor.
Okay, so okay, good. Alright, so I hope you will enjoy. So you will participate during the class as well. I will see. Okay, I will be. You will give us some tasks. Okay, so you will see your marks, how your mark is distributed. I'm going to develop a system so you can see how you are obtaining your marks throughout the semester as well later. Okay, so just wait for that. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so if you don't know, so please ask. Alright, so we should always learn better than the machine. Right, so the machine is the computer. Alright, so that's what I'm going to present. Okay, so during our first lecture. Okay. Do you have any question? No question. Okay, so yes, Kailam, any question?
No question, doctor. Thank you.
So I think you guys are okay. So I hope you guys can, if you want to join the Microsoft Teams, probably you need to use the UPN account, right? So don't use personal account. So you can use your UPN account and then sign in to the Microsoft Teams and then join by using the join code that I shared, the first link that I shared. So you can go there and I will accept your request. Okay, so you won't need to be waiting for the link later, right? For the meeting link later. So you guys can just open the Teams and later you will see that on the chat, on the conversation screen, you will just click that. So on the next class, you can just join from there. Okay. All right. Okay, sorry, because today, because actually you know that I'm in quarantine, so that's why I won't be able to share so much with you today. So I hope will be better later. Okay, on the Thursday, all right. So I see you again on Thursday.
Right, take care, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
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 Thursday.
Thank you, doctor.
So happy returning to the campus. Okay, bye bye. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.